So good morning students. So today we'll take another class of the risk and insurance management of BBA third year finance. Today we'll topic about the risk and that is the approaches of the risk management. What? That is the approaches of risk management. Students, in the last class we have discussed that is regarding the development of the risk management and the development of the risk manager. And after considering all the things, now we have to state that is what this states. So generally, because the risk management approach is only allows the integration and that is the coordination of the strategic management, allows the integrated, that is integration and coordination of strategic, entrepreneurial, that is risk management. Okay. So students, we know that is business organizations is not only that is consisting or that is considering only one activities. As you should know, there are different types of activities are related to in the business. So there are different types of the risk is also coming in the way of the business activities. So in order to overcome from all the things, we have to know about the various approaches, how to handle it, which approaches may be the good, approaches may be the bad, that we have to have an idea. So, my dear students, regarding these things, we have to see that is basically the integration and the coordination of the strategy, because when we are doing about the risk management, we have to make the integration more about, that is you have to united all the things and you have to coordinated all the activities, all the risk which is arising in the business, that you have to know it. Okay, so major things when we are discussing about, that is we have to discuss about, that is that is integrated risk management. Okay, this integrated risk management is consisting all the things, basically what are the risk arises during the business, and it covers all the things that we have to we have to find that is how this integrated risk management is very, very important to that of the business, because this risk, the integrated risk management helps in that is assessing the risk. Okay, then another supporting the decision makers or making process, you can say also decision making process, and another we can say that is optimizing the cost of capital as well as the cost of risk. Okay, and another that is protecting corporate image. Okay, my dear students, listen here. In the integration in the risk management, which was one of the very important good approach, that is in handling the risk during the business. And this integrated risk management what happen helps in the assessing the risk. प्रॉपर असेसिंग नहीं करेंगे तो हमें बाद में पछताना पड़ेगा. बोलते ना, अगर छोटा सा कुछ अगर घाव हो जाता है, उसे अगर सही ट्रीटमेंट नहीं करेंगे वो घाव कैंसर भी बन जाता है. उसी तरह दैट इज हमें क्या करना है, जो रिस्क को असेसिंग प्रॉपरली करना है, डायग्नोसिस करना चाहिए. कहाँ पे रिस्क एरेंज होता है, कितना रिस्क एरेंज होता है, ये सभी हम जो प्रीवियसली वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस अबाउट मेनी थिंग्स ऑन द रिस्क, सो दैट वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई फ्रॉम इट. Unless we have assessing, we cannot. That is what happened. That is make a good approaches to the risk management. So for this purpose, it is a very one thing which have to assess the risk. Means it is one of the very helpful things on that of the what integrated risk management. So another, it will also help in the supporting the decision making process. क्योंकि जब घर जल जाता है, घर पे आग लगा है, फायर ब्रिगेड आने तक वेट करेंगे क्या? नहीं ना. कहीं पे भी हमें जो कि कुछ भी स्टेप्स लेना है, हमें पहले से ही डिसीजन लेना, क्योंकि हम वहां पे कुछ जान को, किसी द लाइफ को सेव करते हैं. उसी तरह दैट इज कंपनी का भी या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का कुछ भी रिस्क आता है तो हमें डिसीजन अपने स्टेज पे जो प्रिकॉशन लेना है वो डेफिनेटली हैव टू टेक इट. देयरआफ्टर वी विल टॉक टू द मैनेजमेंट और वी विल टेक टू द हायर ऑफिसर, दैट मे बी डिफरेंट इश्यू एंड दैट विल कम टू द नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस. बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द रिस्क एंड वी हैव टू टेक केयर द प्रिकॉशन स्टेप्स इन ऑर्डर टू मिनिमाइज द रिस्क. That is integrated risk management highlights how the integrated risk management helps in, that is what happens, supporting or that taking the decision process. That is one of the good things here we have to remember it. Another, when we are identifying or finding the risk or when you are facing the risk, at that time we have to see that is what happen, we have to optimize the cost of capital as well as the cost of the risk. If we will not optimize, it will be the loss to the organizations. So, my dear students, so what happened? Before you are going, that is when you are going to the discussion of the approaching to the risk management, we have to integrate or we have to coordinate all the things strategically and properly handle all the things, which will be the very that is increase the good the repo of the business as well as the reputation of the business. You can say good image of the business. See how, as we know, there is a Odisha is a cyclone prone area, but how our government is also taking, that is so many steps and precautions are also taken before the arranging of, that is the before the cyclone falls. Nowadays, that is, we can say that is with the help of the government only, Odisha is also having the name, that is in the first list in the first in the name list, that is about that is risk management or avoiding or facing the risk management and how that is optimizing and all the things related things into one way, that we know very well. So every organizations, those who are having, that is they have their own problem, they have their own risk, but they have to accumulate all the things and they have to, that is what happen, optimize all the things. Because without knowing, we think the factors, what is essential for the risk and what are the things and what are the approaches we have to make it, that if you will not aware of these things, then we cannot, that is control the cost as well as the control the cost of the capital as well as the cost of the risk also. So it is very important thing we have to consider it. Okay. And another what happened, we know that is the protecting the corporate image, हमें देखना चाहिए, क्योंकि कॉर्पोरेट को डाउन करके हम कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे, कॉर्पोरेट को नेम को दबाएगा कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. अगर हम ऐसे कुछ करना चाहिए, कॉर्पोरेट का इमेज भी बहुत बढ़ सकता है. You can increase the image, the goodwill of the corporate by handling the situations arises in the market. See, in this during the pandemic period, that is so many companies they have also that is offering the home delivery. They are offering there is some groceries and at the doorstep. How they are doing these things? This is the time the company will create image by handling the what situations, such drastic situations. If the risk manager, the management peoples or the risk manager or the management will not aware of these things, then he cannot handle the situation. That we know very well. So my dear students, it is a very very important one thing. So after that is what happened integrated the image or integrated risk management. It is very very important to know that is what this approaches. Yes, IRMA. It means what happens that is we have know that is integrated, okay, integrated risk management approach. It is what a requires the capability to move from the danger to that of the safer positions. It is mostly what happened a systematic approach, single approach. That is, we can say that it is the integrated, that is risk management approach is a what systematic approach. It is a systematic approach. स्टूडेंट्स लिसन हियर, सिस्टमेटिक अप्रोच अगर कोई भी काम ढंग से नहीं करेंगे तो मतलब वो पता है हमें दैट इज विल ओनली फेस द व्हाट प्रॉब्लम्स. सो हमें हर काम को अंजाम देने के लिए स्टेप बाय स्टेप जाना चाहिए. इसका मतलब सही ढंग से हमें काम करना चाहिए. वी हैव टू डू द वर्क प्रॉपरली, the systematic manner, so that it will be helpful in the very efficient way, and we have to dare to face the risk and we will capture on the risk, and our management or the risk management will be the good and the top in all levels. So another thing we can say that is this integrated is consist of what, that is the business risk management. What do we say? That is the BRM. Okay, and another that is holistic risk management. Holistic risk management. Okay, and another that is strategic risk management. Strategic risk management. Okay, and another that is what happened enterprise risk management. So basically, when you are discussing about the integrating all the risk management approaches, these all the things are coming under that is this business risk management, the holistic risk management, and strategic risk management, and the enterprise risk management or ERM. All of this what happened, it is as coming under the umbrella or that is the shadow of this of the what happened integrated risk management, because we know that is the starting from the business risk to that of the enterprise risk management. These are the different types of the risk management which are associated with that of the these approaches. But who are listening here, very interesting, you have to see it. That is side by side, whatever may be, that is we know that is the when we are doing the business or when we are doing the management on the risk. So we have to know about, we have to properly what to do in the systematic manner, that is in the strategic way. It should be in the good way, the holistic manner, in the sound manner. Okay, नजरअंदाज किसको भी नहीं कर पाएंगे, किसको भी इग्नोर नहीं कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि इग्नोर करने से कैसा होगा, ये कोई मामूली चीज नहीं है. बिजनेस, it will be great hamper to that of the whole organizations it will create impact to that of the workers who are employees who are working in the organizations. You have to think it. The business risk को मैनेजमेंट करने के लिए या BRM you have to that is used definitely, that is the one of the good things, that is the good approaches whatever where, because the business is also depending upon the various peoples, that is various types of the business you are doing, that is whatever of the problems they are raising, they are handling all the things, that we know very well. So it should be in the holistic manner. Okay, the strategic must be there. Okay, haphazard must not be there, good in manner. Okay, properly step by step it should be there. So after all the things, we have to discuss about the what happened, that is the enterprise risk management approach. It was the very one of the important risk management approach, that is the ERM. Okay, it is a very what important approach regarding the what happened, that is the functions. Okay, so when we are discussing all the things, so basically we are doing, so some of the factors we have to discuss it, that is the ERM model. ERM, that is framework. Framework means what happened, the model. It is the model. Unless we will construction model, we cannot go to that of the what, that is to the picturize the risk management. Risk management is totally related to that of the work of, that is the ERM framework, and here that is this framework, the ERM framework is published in 2004, okay, by COSO. Okay, the COSO means what happened, that is what, the committee, okay, of sponsoring organization, okay, of tradeway commissions. It is the ERM model or the framework. It is designed, or that is the published by the COSO in 2004. The COSO is the who sponsored the ERM framework in order to one of the good approach of the risk management approach. So here we have to discuss, that is what happened, how it is, because you know that is this ERM is both consisting of, okay, both consisting of both what, that is strategic risk management as well as the holistic risk management. Okay, so this is the one of the ERM framework or ERM model. It is one of the very good, that is the approaches to the risk management while we are doing that what happened or thinking, that is the what the approaches. So another, it is also considering this ERM. This is what happened, considering the important, that is control and consultations tool. Okay, the consultant tools for this what happened, this ERM is what happened, have the directing, that is what happened, focusing all the things, means you have to control the situations. The controlling manner it must be there. Without knowing all the things, we cannot go to the direct to that of the what ERM framework. So consulting must be there, consultations is there also. मैंने सबको पूछना चाहिए क्या करना नहीं, क्या नहीं करना है. We have to find the way, the appropriate manner in order to face the risk or to, that is stop the risk. Okay, so it is what happened, we can say that is the, because the consultants, it consists of both, that is the internal as well as the what, internal and external. Okay, external complaints को भी देखना चाहिए हमें. Okay, without knowing डूइंग दिस थिंग्स, और खाली एक तरफा नहीं देखने से नहीं होगा, दोनों साइड देखना है, इंटरनल भी देखना है और एक्सटर्नल भी देखना है। इसको देखने के बाद हमें दैट इज वी हैव टू सी दैट इज हाउ दैट इज व्हाट एवर गुड इंपॉर्टेंट that is the approach model. So my dear students, another that is when you are going to that of the ER model, it is a very very important for the business organizations or the business in handling the business risk, because the business risk the model is given only for the conducting the business, but sometimes we are finding these are not the risks are not facing to the pharmaceutical construction and building. Even they have the risk, even though they have the risk, but they are not attaching or they are not that is relating to this risk arises in these organizations. The business risk is definitely coming, that is any type of business we are finding, but this risk management approaches, some of the risk management approaches which are not going to that of the some companies or not fetching to that of the some companies, maybe like that of the what pharmaceutical constructions or whatever maybe वगैरह वगैरह. So we have to develop such approaches, we have to develop such that is things which will be appropriate to all the types of the businesses, because business is concerned with the IT, business with the some of the internal checks, is internal things are also related. So many bases we have that doing the business, but we have to see it, how to have to change the concept or have to change the generated the risk management into the new modern concept, so that it will be very very helpful. That is the आने वाले दिन में जो कि हमें फेस कर सकते हैं वो भी कर सकते हैं. My students, this is one of the ERM that is a model, and another we have to discuss, that is the what ISO. See, there is one of the very very important part, that is the what the ISO model. Okay, ISO, okay, that is 3100 2009 में ये हुआ था. It is mostly that is based on the what happened, what we issue, that the risk management vocabulary, guidelines, for use in the standard. And student, this is one of the important that is international approaches, okay, which consists of all the that is approaches related to that of the risk management. It is a good ISO, that is what happened 3100/2009, and we know that is this ISO is producing all the things, that is provides a guidelines regard to that of the risk management, how to handle it. Some basic principles is also there. Some basically that is the steps of the works, how to identify the risk management, that is a risk in the business, that it is also there. Okay, so this is the mostly the we can say that is the principle based. Principle based risk management. Okay, the principle based risk management, one of the good, that is the important factor that we have to discuss it here. How that is the ISO, that is 3100. It is one of the good model, that is when we discuss about the things. So my dear students, what are the management that is risk management principles are coming under these things? So one here, this helps in ISO is what, that is the principles we can say under which it works. It is what, that is create and protect value. Okay, one thing and one one thing another, it should be an integral part. Integral part of all process. Okay, and another we can say that is it should be a decision making process. Okay, and another that we can say that is deals with the uncertainties. Okay, and another structured, systematic and timely. Okay, and based on best informations. Okay, and also considering the human and cultural factors, and another we can say that is tailored to the environment. See, this is the one of the great good, that is the approaches to that of the risk management. When you're discussing to that of the ISO, that is international approach risk management, we have to see that it should be that these approaches provides a good, that is a protective value to the organizations when you are going to the approaching to or following to this principle of the approach management or the risk management. It is one of the what provides a good or creating, that is the protect value of the organizations. And another, it consists the all the integral part of the process. जो भी प्रोसेस होता है ना, बड़ा डीपली जाता है, कभी भी हमें इग्नोर कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे, किसी को भी छोड़ नहीं पाएंगे. That is, we know that one. And these approaches brings all the things as a centralized. And another we can say that a good decision making process. This also provides a good the principles which are leading to that of the good decision makings also. And is also this approaches is also deals with the various, that is what happen we can say deals with the various uncertainties which are found during the course of business, or that is the running of the business activities. And it is one of the very important, that is what happen, this also provides a good structure, that is the good structure of risk management in a, that is what we can say that the systematic and the timely, because time management is one of the very very important. Without that is doing it, क्यों मैंने पहले से एग्जाम्पल बोल दिया, अगर जब डेंजर आता ना तुम्हें, that is हमें समय तारीख ये बोल के नहीं आता, कभी भी आ सकता है. अगर हमें टाइम को देखेंगे कि जैसे मैंने एक एग्जाम्पल लिया, कोई अगर घर में आग लग गया, इसका मतलब फायर ब्रिगेड में आने में देरी होगा, फायर ब्रिगेड आकर आग बुझाएगा, मतलब वो क्या राख हो जाएगा घर. हमें टाइम को भी देखना चाहिए, किस तरह की मैनेजमेंट करना चाहिए, किस तरह की बहुत सारे दैट इज हैंडल करना है, ये हमें सिस्टमेटिक मैनर में और टाइमली भी देता है. और इट इज ऑल्सो दिस ISO, that is 3100, that is what happen based on, that is what happen best provides best or best of the best information, collecting the best of the best informations, and gives us the full data and the communicating manner in a communicating the things which it has, and in a proper manner also, and at the timely. And also it is also considering the human as well as the cultural factor of all the things, because that we have to think it, because no dispute should be arranged in the name of the culturals, or it should not be harm to any of the human being in the name of the cultural activities, or in the by doing all the things whatever maybe we are organizing these things. So that is one of the best. And another we have to say that is the tailoring the environment factor पे देखता है, और हमें ट्रांसपोर्ट भी देखना है, और बहुत सारे हमें जो भी कुछ करना है रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी डायनामिक होना चाहिए. ये सभी हमें what this ISO 3100 is consisting all the principles. It's a very good, that is the approach management regarding the on the basis of the risk management. That we have to think it clearly. Okay. So another we have to, when we're discussing this, ISO is also provided what, that is a complete framework. What? Risk management framework. See, my dear students, when I am going to the risk management framework, we have to see it out. We have to see. See here, that is what happened, risk management. Okay, risk management framework. फ्रेमवर्क मतलब मॉडल में हमें बहुत कुछ करना पड़ेगा. देखो, यस, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल that make a committee, commitment to risk management. Then this is October risk management framework. Monitor your risk management framework. Implement your risk management framework. Design your risk management framework. Right, students, listen here. This is one of the how to make the framework of the risk management. It's the model which started with all the things. First of all, you have to make the commitment to the risk management. Unless you will not make commitment, so we cannot do the work. We cannot have the dare to face this risk. So first of all, we have to make the commitment. Then we have to design our framework, the model in which you have to work it. Then you have to implement the framework, what is the model made for the risk management or to face these challenges. And after that, that is, see, making the commitment means started with the making the framework. Then you have to design the things. If you have planned here, making commitment to full, devoted ourselves to that of the risk management, we have to do it. That is, okay, after that you have to design how to handle these things. So proper manner you have to do it. Then you have to work it. इम्प्लीमेंट करना है. इम्प्लीमेंट किसके करना है? जिसके ऊपर हमें रिस्क को उठाने के लिए हमें किया है. उसके करने के बाद उसे मॉनिटर करना है कि ठीक से हमारा फ्रेमवर्क चल रहा है ना नहीं, जैसे प्लानिंग की तरह. और इसके बाद मॉनिटर करें. कुछ अगर इम्प्रूवमेंट चाहिए तो हम इम्प्रूवमेंट भी कर सकते हैं. अगर इम्प्रूवमेंट करने के बाद ही हम देखेंगे फिर दैट इज अगेन इट कमिंग टू द सक्सेस ऑफ द कमेंट. जो हमें वर्क दिए है, जो हमें बोले, वो हमारा सक्सेस है. अगर ये completely model that is focusing all that is the what good framework. So unless we'll go to these things, we cannot that is make a one of the risk management process. So directly you can say that is all the things. It is very very important because formulate करना और formulate and implement. These are the very very two things you have to require it for the management process. Unless you will not do these things, we cannot go for the success of the risk management. So हमें यूनिक करना है. यूनिक हमारा that is the risk management जो है it is the unique risk management must be there. So that we should be what come to the image, good image. जैसे मैंने पहले से बोल चुका है, that is how the government of Odisha have made that is a significant role in managing the risk. ओके, आज बहुत उसको फ्रेम को मैंने उसको मॉडल को भी एक्सेप्ट किया जाता है, उनको मॉडल को भी दैट इज बहुत सारा स्टेट दोज आर फेसिंग दिस थिंग, दे आर आल्सो व्हाट हैपन डूइंग दिस थिंग्स, दैट इज द दे आर फॉलोइंग दिस प्रोसेस. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द ग्रेट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. सो all the things whatever we have the seen, this is an integrated risk management approach. All the things directly or indirectly हमें जो कि हमें ऑलरेडी ERM मॉडल में या जो भी दैट इज ISO दैट इज 3 दैट इज 100 ये जो मॉडल जो भी बिजनेस रिस्क मैनेजमेंट जो भी कुछ देखे, whatever type of the approaches are that, all are that is what happened have the some structures and it's based on the integrated manner. हमें ये कभी भी भूलना चाहिए. सभी को मॉडल को लेकर कुछ भी जो will find the very appropriate and the suitable manner that you have to consider it. Okay, so dear students, this is one of the important topic for the approaches of the risk management. Next class we'll discuss another topic about that is what happen, how to manage the risk. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.